Welcome to the Introduction to Small Business class. This video is to explain how to complete the assignment 2.01 from Unit 2 in the Small Business class. Go to your classwork tab, use the View Your Work button to see the list of incomplete work, or scroll down to Unit 2 where you will find all of the assignments that begin with the number 2. Here is 2.01, Customer Information. Click to open that assignment. You can see that that assignment is a Google Doc. Click to view your assignment. You will find your work in the Your Work space on the right corner. Click to open your work. The assignment says to think about the Hubs bookstore. What customer information will we need to help us focus on our target market? Complete the chart with customer information we want to focus on. So what kind of demographic information will be important for us to understand the customers of the Hubs bookstore? What interests do we want to know about our customers? And what values do we want to know about? Values will include things like, do they value quality? Do they value affordability or the price? Do they value convenience or high-quality customer service? If you do not understand the categories, you will find documents to support your work. Here, 2.01a, you can look at target market. B, why demographics, and C, customer interests and values. You can click on any one of these to learn more information. For example, if I don't understand customer interests and values, I can open this document and read about values and interests. Customer demographic information that is important for the bookstore may be age, for example, because we want to serve adults. Maybe ethnicity, if we want to offer books in different languages, etc. Interests may be what kind of books they like, what subjects they like, what formats, such as audio, digital, or print, hard copy, paperback books. Values. What convenience do they want? What prices are they willing to pay? Write your ideas into the columns and then click Turn In. Thank you for watching this video on 2.01 Customer Information.